In the assignments report, you'll be able to see specific data by assessment. Click Reports, Assignments, and your full list of assessments will be listed here. Here you can see students' results by grouping and performance by clicking on the colored bars. You can also see completion rates and submission dates, clicking on the progress bar at the bottom. Let's go to View the full report. You'll have all those same features here at the top, and then you'll be able to see your student results by roster. If you want to look at a specific student's results, click on their name, and you'll be able to look at their answer key. Once you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see a question analysis. Hover over a specific question to see the results of that question and students' answers. You can click on the progress bar to see who chose what. And you can also scroll if you have more questions using the right button here. You'll be able to see the full question matrix below to look at quick analysis of your questions. You can also download an answers report so you can see specific student answers in a CSV file, or if you want to refresh yourself onto what standards were being assessed for which question, you can click the Download Question Alignment Report.